Okay, so we'll start with the questions. This is our Teleprime 6.2. We will work in continuous educational mode. Education mode में F3 is the shortcut key for creating a company, and this is your K. We will go to the create or company create, and this is company create. So company name is Apex Limited. State is Delhi, India. Mobile number, fax, email, website, amount, and this is, we need to keep in mind the financial year. It should be start from April 25. अगर किसी और से करते तो TST will not be calculated. So enter. Second is, this is your company create successfully. This is your second window. In this, what we need to, the both starting accounts, yes. Then inventory maintain, yes. Inventory created accounts with inventory, yes. And this is second last option, that is use discount column in invoice, yes. This is basically for the trade discount. And GST is yes. When we enter into GST, Delhi regular GST. ध्यान रखना है, we need to fill the GST digit number of 15 digit. Dummy भी भर दो. For example, Delhi is for 7, 4 हो गया digit ये, then dummy. Then monthly, again we will skip, yes, and this is 1st April 25. Now your company is done. Company is created, yes, bye. Then we will come to this interface of Tally. Here you can see in master there are 3: create, alter, and charts of accounts. Create, you can create a multiple ledgers or an individual ledger. For alter is basically need for alteration or modification or for any changes. We will come to the charts of accounts because you can make a number of accounts with this, with the help of this icon. So click on this charts of accounts, then ledger, then you can see the right side, that is the multi masters. Click in this, then multi, create, enter all items. Now in this question given capital under capital account, then amount is 2 lakhs. Second is your profit and loss account, and third is your creditors. Is it clear? Here you need to prepare a number of accounts excluding 2, that is the inbuilt account. First inbuilt account is profit and loss. Second is your cash, where you need to just put the opening balance. Whereas 3 accounts, that is debtors, creditors, and stock, you are not supposed to make here. Reason behind this, you need to make individually just because of the GST enables. Okay, so come to the asset side, that is your cash. Need to make? No. That is your plant. Plant is under fixed assets. Yes, plant under fixed. Amount is 50,000. Then next is SBI. SBI will come under bank account. 70,000. Next is yours investment. Investment will come under the head of investment only, and the investment amount is 20,000. Okay, so here I leave the debtors, creditors, and the stock. then yes. Okay, so after this you will get the Windows interface like this. The second is you need to enter the cash balance. Cash balance is your 20,000. So we will 20,000. Next is your profit. These both accounts are inbuilt. Need to give only the opening balance. Profit and loss is 50,000. Okay, done with this. So give one escape, then two escape. You will come to the main gateway of Tally interface. We will go to the create options. अब हमें क्या create करना है? We need to create debtors and the creditors. In your question you can look, there are two debtors. One is Ram. Ram will come under sundry debtors, Delhi regular, and need to fill GST detail. If you will not fill GST details over here, बच्चे आपका टैक्स उठ के नहीं आएगा, ये ध्यान रखना है. So Ram opening is 50,000. Ram opening is 50,000. Yes. Next is your Shyam. Shyam is also in sundry debtors. Then Shyam is also from Delhi. Again regular and need to give any 15-digit GST number. I am just giving here dummy number because it's only for the education, working on educational mode. So Shyam is for 10,000. Yes. Come to the creditors. That is Happy. Happy under sundry creditors. Then Happy is from Delhi. Then regular. Need to fill 15-digit dummy number, and this is 20,000. Opening balance is 20. Done. Next creditors is money. Money is also sundry creditors, and this is regular and 15-digit GST number, and the money opening is 30,000. Okay, so we have done with the opening of cash, profit and loss, creation of debtors and creditors. Now the left is only the stock. So we can go with cross check. Okay, balance sheet. Balance sheet, Alt F5. You can check here the difference of opening balance 80,000 is coming the right side or the asset side, and I have not feeded the entry of stock, and this stock amount is also 80,000. That means we are on the right track. So come to the stock creations, then create. This is inventory master. In questions you can check one stock group and stock item. So first we will make a stock group. Stock group is a beauty brand. So beauty brand under primary. Quantity be added, yes. अगर quantity नहीं add करोगे is it difficult to sell out the product. As per company stock. Now GST rate and related details. Here you need to mention the GST. Here you need to enable the GST. अगर आप यहाँ नहीं करोगे stock पे GST will not come and ultimately you will face problem. Okay, so GST specify details here. Specify details in tax. Tax में it is 18%, so I will write 18%. Automatically बच्चे CGST SGST में it is included 99%, and this is yes. Okay, second step is in your stock item there are two stock items under your one stock group. One is your lotion. बच्चे देखो प्राइमरी में जैसे आया ब्यूटी ब्रांड्स, units is applicable? Yes, obviously you are going to sell anything in units only. Numbers में होगा, pieces में होगा. Okay, so it is in pieces. We'll write down the pieces. Okay, pieces. बच्चे यहाँ पे units में होगा तो units also you can write down. Once check please. Units then units. Okay, getting my point? Units is also there, but in question it is given in pieces, so that is why I am taking the pieces. Okay, so pieces. 0 because you are going to sell the whole product. हम half या 1/4 sell नहीं करेंगे. Then types of supply goods. What is the opening balance of lotion? That is, the quantity is 500 and the rate is 100, so total amount is 50,000. Yes. Second is your cream under beauty brand, then pieces, and the 300 quantity, rate is 100 and the value is 30,000. 50 plus 30, 80,000 का stock we have entered. So can we again check the balance sheet? Can we check? Yes, balance sheet, and Alt F5 is for the detailed balance sheet. Now you can check there is no difference in assets and liability sides. That means we have done or we have entered our balance sheet correctly. Okay, so next after entering the whole, second is we will go to the voucher entry. Okay, so in voucher entry you can see transaction. In transaction there are two interface. One is voucher and second is your day book. Voucher, we will click on the voucher. Here you can see a number of vouchers are coming on the right side. Contra, payment, receipts, journal, sales, purchase. These are the shortcut. F4 is for contra, F5 is for payment, F6 is for receipt, 7 is for journal, 8 is for sales, and 9 is for purchase. So we can use the shortcut key to save the time. In question, first entry, voucher entry is purchase from Happy Cream 10 at the rate of 110. So we will use the F9 keys. In this way you can identify the number of ledger. Okay, so before entering or passing the entry in your voucher, we need to prepare few more accounts. Okay, here I am talking, और मैं आपको बता दूं, you can create accounts here only. Invoice number is 1, then date, party कौन सी थी? Happy. Okay, so this is purchase ledger. Now you can see here the create options. Create क्या करना? This is purchase, so I am just opening a purchase ledger under purchase. बच्चे आप लोगों ने देखा भी होगा कि जब भी हमारे ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से स्टॉक एंट्री होती थी या सेल परचेज, वी नीड टू मेंटेन अ हार्ड कॉपी रजिस्टर्स A4 साइज के. सो दिस इज योर परचेज, नो नीड टू डिस्टर्ब इट, हम इसको एज इट इज सेव कर लेंगे. हैप्पी इज इन परचेज. हैप्पी से खरीदा हमने क्रीम कितनी थी? 10 pieces at the rate of 110 and the amount is 1100. This one we will enter again second. This is how much GST applicable? 18%. So here you can make a Alt C. Alt C is the shortcut for creating a ledger immediate. CGST under duties and taxes, then GST, CGST, it will come under the CGST, and this 0 is only for the printing purpose, so skip it. GST आ गई direct. Next is your Alt C, creations, that is your SGST, duties and taxes, GST, this is your SGST, will select the SGST, enter, and this SGST. Clear? This is the shortcut key to create any ledger immediately. But if you don't want to, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जैसे हमारा बैलेंस शीट मैच होता है, after that you can open the same laser. Then start entering the voucher. Then done. This entry is passed. Second is sale to Shyam lotion. For sale के लिए shortcut key is F8. F8 हमने किसको सेल किया है? श्याम को. Again we don't have any sales laser. हमने बनाए, हम क्या, Alt C. Then this is your sales. Sales under sales account. Yes. What we are selling? Lotion. Okay. L press करेंगे, lotion will come. The quantity of lotion is 20 at the rate of 120. Okay. 120. If in case company has provided the trade discount तो 10%, तो यहाँ पे you can directly write down the 10% and automatically the amount will be deducted. Okay, so this is exactly why this is, because we have enabled trade discount function at the starting. Okay, but in this question okay, so then SGST CGST and yes. Okay, फाइनल सेटलमेंट ऑफ एंट्री नंबर 1000, यानी कि जो हमने परचेज करी थी हैप्पी से. नाउ यू कैन क्रॉस चेक डे बुक. डे बुक में देखो बच्चे, हैप्पी से वी हैव परचेज 100 pieces, sorry 10 pieces, 121,298, and the voucher entry third is saying final settlement of entry number 1 at 1000, यानी कि 1298 की सेटलमेंट हमने कितने से कर दिया? 1000. ओके, सो कम टू द वाउचर एंट्री. फाइनल सेटलमेंट ऑफ एंट्री 1 परचेज है, तो परचेज के केस में वी हैव डन द पेमेंट. कम टू द F5 पेमेंट. किसको पेमेंट किया? पार्टी डेबिट हो रही है, दैट इज हैप्पी. कितने से हैप्पी को कह रहे हैं? फाइनल सेटलमेंट ऑफ एंट्री 1, हैप्पी का अमाउंट इज शोइंग 1298. ओके, देखो हमने 1 अप्रैल को कितने का पेमेंट सेल किया था? 1298 की हमने इनसे परचेज करी है. हैप्पी इज डेबिटेड टू 18, क्रेडिटेड बाय SBI. लेकिन हमने फाइनल सेटलमेंट कितने के करा है? हमने फाइनल सेटलमेंट करा है 1000 का. ओके, दिस मीन्स कि देयर इज अ पेमेंट हमने किया है, तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? कैश डिस्काउंट. अगेन Alt C, डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड अंडर इनडायरेक्ट इनकम. ये हमारी इनकम हो गई इनडायरेक्ट, है ना? यस, कितने की? 298. ओके, क्लियर. डिस्काउंट कितने का रिसीव हुआ? दिस इज योर फाइनल सेटलमेंट ऑफ एंट्री 1 एंड यस. देन द एंट्री नंबर 4 is the final settlement of entry number 2. Okay, final settlement, that is the payment, that is your receipt. फाइनल सेटलमेंट हमने जो सेल करी थी श्याम को, उसका फाइनल सेटलमेंट है. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स वी आर गेटिंग द मनीज. अब फर्स्ट इज क्रेडिट है, तो हमने श्याम को क्रेडिट कर दिया. कितने से श्याम को क्रेडिट किया है? चेक कर लो भाई. डे बुक श्याम लेजर इज 2548. ओके, शाम को कितने से हमने ओके कितना पेमेंट रिसीव किया है, वी विल गो टू द रिसीव 2538, देन श्याम 2538 एंटर, अगेंस्ट देखो 48 है तो हम इसको 48 करेंगे, अदरवाइज 10 का डिस्काउंट 2548 से कर दिया इसको, देन दिस इज 2548 डेबिटेड टू SBI 2548, नो पेमेंट लिया है हमने श्याम से 2350, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे कुछ हमें डिस्काउंट हमने दिया है, गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, यानी कि इनडायरेक्ट इनकम हुई हमारी, देन अगेन ऑल्ट सी डिस्काउंट अलाउड, W key is not working, indirect expenses, okay, how much, 198, so this is again your entry passed, yes. Then entry number 5, voucher entry, investment sold 2000, okay, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारे सोल्ड हुए हैं, जनरल एंट्री से जाएंगे, वी विल गो टू द जनरल एंट्री, इन्वेस्टमेंट कितने के सोल्ड हो गए, प्रॉफिट हुआ कुछ, डेबिट आ रहा तो बैंक SBI डेबिटेड, इन्वेस्टमेंट सोल्ड 22,000 में इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्रेडिटेड टू इन्वेस्टमेंट कितने थे हमारे, इन्वेस्टमेंट की अमाउंट थी 20,000, दिस मीन्स देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 2,000, अगेन सेम ऑल्ट सी, profit will make us profit on sale of investment, this is indirect income 2,000, ओके, ये हमारी इनकम हो गई इनडायरेक्ट 2,000 की, सो डन विद द इन्वेस्टमेंट सोल्ड. Next is expenses paid, phone and electricity, okay, चलो पेमेंट कर देते हैं, पेमेंट वाउचर, phone account is not there, again we will do alt C, phone under indirect income, no expenses, then debited again, same I am passing both the entry together, alt C, electricity, again indirect expenses, and the amount is electricity 600, by SBI, yes, okay, so this is your last is your depreciation on plant 10% per annum, depreciation है, we will go pass this entry with the help of journal, depreciation की amount entry क्या होती है, depreciation to the console, alt C, depreciation हमने बना लिया, depreciation बना हमारा indirect expenses, better to write down the whole name, depreciation on plant under indirect expenses, and this, yes, so depreciation on plant 10% of प्लांट था हमारा 50,000 का, 5,000 हमारा डेप्रिसिएशन हुआ, क्रेडिटेड टू प्लांट की ऑटोमेटिकली देखो वैल्यू 5,000 से कम हो गई है, ओके, सो दिस इज योर, यस, Clear? Next is your contra entry, that is bank deposited to amount deposited to bank. Okay, अब बच्चे contra entry के लिए we will go to the contra entry, है ना. नेक्स्ट इज योर कॉन्ट्रा. अब कॉन्ट्रा में क्या कह रहा है, कैश डिपॉजिट टू द बैंक, है ना. कैश को हमने डिपॉजिट कर लिया है बैंक में. यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारे दोनों ही यूज हो रहे हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज योर बैंक एंड सेकंड इज योर कैश. ओके, हमने बैंक को कैश को डिपॉजिट कर दिया है बैंक में. ठीक है, कैश कितना डिपॉजिट किया है, इट इज अ 5000. देखो जैसे हमने कैश 5000 किया, बैलेंस हमारा कैश का कम हो गया और एसबीआई में बढ़ गया. नो नीड टू राइट, जस्ट skip all the. Yes, so we have done with all the entry. Now we can cross check our balance sheet. Balance sheet alt F5. Okay, so there is a loss of 3840. कितने का लॉस हो रहा है हमारा, यहाँ पे लॉस हो रहा है 3840. okay, second important thing what you have to keep in mind, that is the duties and taxes. If duties and taxes are coming in your liability side, you need to pay. okay, देखो बच्चे, हमारा CGST है एंड SGST है. ठीक है, so we will go to the voucher entry, then CGST amount is 95.40. sorry, this is payment. CGST is 95.40, 0 हो गया. then SGST 95.40, then credited to SBI 190 and yes, we have done with all the entry. Now you can cross check your balance sheet, alt F5, detail balance sheet. So your minus means company is facing the loss. okay, now the question is how you are going to export this file in your desktop. okay, you please